Have you paid them their gratuity? What is the status of that?
We have not paid anybody the gratuity.
And why are you then not considering deducting from that gratuity?
Because
for these
they have
members?
to give consent. That's a law. Pensions law. You cannot just access pension of somebody without he or she consents. That's why I said we are trying to persuade them to give consent.
Which law is that, Bwana Governor? Could you
I'm
provide?
not a lawyer, but you cannot access pension.
I'm talking actually about gratuity, because gratuity is paid by the county.
Omogeni can assist me.
Okay, Senator.
Omogeni is a senator, but he can volunteer.
You know, Governor, anytime I give you legal advice, it's at a fee. As you have heard from Governor, there is no transfer that was signed in favor of the county. We hold nothing. We are other than that piece of paper called title. There is nothing. Anyway, it looks very untidy in my own, from where I am. That even the people of Nyamira following, when they see that the only people who benefited was Governor and 9 CCs, just sit in a cabinet, approved to share money among the 9 CCs and the Governor with no security.
My questions were, who is the custodian of these titles currently as we speak? Secondly, on the same, the list of the beneficiaries. And this comes from the point whereby you say there were 9 executive members. But in the Annex 2 that you've submitted, these are only titles for 7 members.
I can confirm the titles we have, they are not 7, they are 9. And these were 8 CC members plus the former governor. They form 9. I think it's a photocopying, which was done. Some were done behind the other. But it will be put more clear.
If you could just count, it's just very simple mathematics. Yeah. I just have 7 copies. My query is just on the confirmation of the members that are here before this committee who are present, who are here today with us. We have CPA Emily Ogonga, Harrison Momanyi, Perry Soroko, Gladys Momanyi, CPA Dominic Barare.
There is only one.
Who is that?
You say.
I'm here.
Oh, my ladies.
Yeah, tell us what monkey games were you people playing?
So is she Paris or Gladys? Thank you, Chair.
Yes.
The members that are in this report are members who were members of the committee after the loans had been given. The loans we are discussing and the loans that are not recovered, Chair, I want to bring it to your attention that there are loans that were in the period before this committee. It was the previous committee that approved these loans, not the current committee, Chair.
The committee noted that the Nyamira County Executive Mortgage and Car Loan Scheme Fund was irregularly established based on regulations drawn from the national legislation, contrary to the provisions of Section 1161 and 1169 and 205 of the PFM Act 2012. The committee directs the governor through the county executive committee member in charge of finance to regularize the establishment of the fund and ensure that it is established in line with the Regulation 197 of the Public Finance Management County Government Regulations 2015 within 90 days from the date of this meeting. The CEC in charge of finance to ensure all funds in the county are established, all funds in the county are established in accordance with the law. That implies even the other funds that we are yet to look at. Number 2 recommendation, the governor through the county executive committee member or in charge of finance to submit to the committee and the office of the Auditor General for verification evidence of remittance of fringe benefit tax to KRA ETR receipts for the car loan and mortgage fund within 7 days from the date of the meeting. And this, on this recommendation, there were also other documentations that you are supposed to submit to the committee should also be submitted. Number 3, the committee notes that the Nyamira County Executive Car Loan and Mortgage Scheme Fund had unrecovered loans amounting to 20,007,261 from the 9 former county executive committee members and the former governor. The committee therefore directs the governor to institute recovery measures and ensure all the outstanding loans are recovered and settled before the next audit review meeting by this committee.
Chiweza chiachete 110 million bochese county ya Nyamira okonya oborwere bori bwa covid ngakichitumegete bionsi pi omo auditor general atanga tairi malisiti akore kinanga kichiweza chiatumegete igayo yonsi bena maswali bado umugavana ataira nirere kiara chinsa chia toera yona ndi bakaira nega achikolire na bayi musie balenga onye babwate amatona amaiso barorira amaswali abori wakaba seneta bakuboringa nkieko era abayi musie batara akore gasi yabo yo gukora oversight eso mugavana mwigo kiabanga ebintekero bya sarekire ne county akisio motivi gavana galete to senate eba seneta bakarigeli abayi musie na baroboti gabamanyanga no mo speaker tewa manyanga baro visitari korara bolere ne mugavana lakini kumukolera oversight na kolenda chiveza chiri abaseneta bagutuma kuchise county ya Nyamira kama ibintu binde biko bakawaso kanga naye no muntu rete county ya Nyamira ebintu binde bakoroche abaseneta bako ire niliwo soboso ko bakabatanga seneta so ango ime yebine senior council okonya again taken tualani rikorese again teke twakorera ronkelinga ese obokore libuye gashi ese county ya ite ya Nyamira obolemeru borororo obonene sana na kinate bana governor gakwirana rero ese county ya Nyamira unakwirana rero aikaransense arrenanga ki agoskichiso gishigoro aroshi lidali county ya Nyamira nto kobanga intwe ekero EACC na ndo ma EACC te bwa dibite na nonde iyo kolega zero professional yata bainto totanga ineso bokuru ekero bakuligire di life expectancy kwanyaranga chikaunti chinda bantu bakomenya bakabaike miaka 75 county yetu ya Nyamira twate life expectancy yaito igere miaka 60 eyu ego tenga ntobwate obolemerwo injira tokolega ese county ya Nyamira na endo mugavana pakaira ne ekorogoto goto aranga kia okonya bantu be county ya Nyamira omo deputy governor nto ari negese kiara no ari ngobisi engakiri barenge mugavana na deputy igo etenga bunese county government ya Nairobi mugavana atarengo mugavana itobe irobisi kuru 2013 yekarago cha igo tumaitenga na maitenga kiabeire ese county kuru 2013 anda wena taire nilia maswali onspi na documents chitakeire okoyunera twatuma agenda achirete tali ndirigo chikori mugakanyagara morali tomata bialete oli barenge ko office na bagotoretera documents tochiregereri bune senate